introduction. And good evening, everyone. I'm the second presenter of this presentation. My name is Tanja, and I will present plan and programs offered. Now, our main target audience for this event is university students and lecturers from Tunku Abdul Rahman University College. Now, why do we choose this audience, this particular group of audience to join our event? Well, we think that because of our events got a lot of programs offered, and we think that students and lecturers may learn some techniques, latest news, and get some special promotion of IT devices. And we think that these techniques and that they learn during our event will help them in terms of doing their assignment using the IT devices such as smartphones, tablets, PCs, and laptops. And what is the benefit of joining our event? And we think that this audience that join in will get the benefit of such as they will get special promotion and exclusive prices for this particular audience. Since that our event got sales and promotion event and programs, and these programs will have exclusive prices particularly for students and lecturers, that they won't get these prices outside from this 7 days event. Such as if you go to Loyat Plaza in Bukit Bintang, you won't get these cheap prices compared that you will get during our event. So there's a lot of programs offered in our event. So the first event is sales and promotion event, and there are a lot of companies or shops set up that we invited to set up some booths during this event. So this sales and promotion event involves selling IT devices, and these three companies, HP, Kaspersky Lab, and Kingston Technology, are one of our three main sponsors during this event. Now, we have a lot of smaller companies joining too, but these three main companies, they generally requested a bigger boost during this 7 days event to all the audience to join and get the special promotion. Now I will first introduce the first main company, which is HP, also known as Hewlett Packard. It is founded by Bill Hewlett and David Packard, and this HP company is specialized in producing computers, hardware, software, IT services, and IT consulting. Now, we are aware that the TAR-UC premises, like lab or CITC, are majority using HP computers and PCs. And we think that it is better, and we think that this audience will better understand HP company itself, since it is more used during in this TAR-UC premises. Thanks. So the second main company is Kaspersky Lab. It is founded by Eugene Kaspersky. This company is from Moscow, Russia, and it specializes in security software and computer security services. Now, in 2018, their main focus is to develop a mobile antivirus for your smartphones. Since now, among Malaysia, according to the study, among Malaysians, majority of the Malaysians are using some smartphones to do some sort of transaction or browsing or do their tasks. Now, if your smartphone does not protect it, and attackers may easily hack into your smartphones, and you will get all your confidential information. and it is very not good. And by using our second main company antivirus, you will get this protection against in your smartphone. And as well as just now, Mr. Law present the ransomware, and they are the first company to develop a function which is called System Watcher. So by using this function, if your PCs or any devices infected by a ransomware, you can easily roll back to a normal state. It will roll back to a normal state so that you can save all your data or save back all your data and didn't get infected. Now the third main company is Kingston Technology. It is founded by John Tu and David Sun. And they are both Taiwanese, and they specialize in storage devices such as RAM stick, random access memory stick, and pen drives. Now you may ask, why do we invite Kingston Technology instead of why don't we invite like SanDisk company, Western Digital, Seagate? Now, based on our own experience, Kingston actually developed a more cheap price storage devices compared to the company that I just mentioned. And they also got a subcategory which is HyperX. They are specialized in gaming devices. Now, people are always confused about HyperX with Kingston. They all thought that these two are the separate companies. Now, in actual fact, no, they are actually the same company, but just they develop a different devices, category of devices. So HyperX is especially in gaming devices such as keyboards, mice, headset, and mousepads, and they actually sponsored a lot of eSport events before, such as ESL Cologne 2017 and Dota 2 International 2017. Now, this event, why do we think that this audience should join our event? Now, we will definitely give them a cheap price and exclusive prices, and up to 40% discount for all the IT devices. And during this 7 days event, these prices are only exclusive for for Thai UC students and lecturers. If you go outside, like just now I mentioned Loyang Plaza or any IT shop, you won't get these kind of prices compared to our event, because we generally requested our company to make it the price lower and cheaper. And also, we also have free gifts for the audience who participate in Kingston booth for their survey or interview, and they will get a 16 gig pen drive from Kingston. Now typing competition. During our meetings, that we think that it's better that we hold a typing competition in Thai UC. So this typing competition only for students and only available only for maximum 50 participants. And the purpose of this competition is to let students to showcase their typing pace and techniques during the competition. Now, this competition not only target for IT students, target for all the students in Thai UC who likes to register. They can register via Google Form, and the registration is free of charge. So you may ask, if someone register during the competition and register for the competition, and for that competition day they absent from that competition day, now we will do and register on the spot for that particular absentee's place, and we'll drop that absentees and replace it to another student so that they can participate to the competition. Prizes will also be provided for the winners. The first place will get 300 ringgit, second place will get 100 ringgit, and the third place will get 50 ringgit. So, any question?
I want to ask, how many vendor machines will be provided?
2 to 3 vending machines will be provided during the sales and promotion time.
And what's the software do you use during judging the attendance?
We will use a software which is called Typing Master software to judge the typing speed.
So regarding the first question, if the software has been disclosed, won't be fair since student has advantage of taking post the software.
Very good question. We actually got discussed during this in our meeting, and we think that we will let the student know what software we are using so that they can train using that software. They can train using that software and they will get mature inside that software. But during the competition, we will use a different paragraph which is not same as the program paragraph that they provided. We will use a different paragraph for them so that they won't get any same paragraph. So they won't get any advantages. Okay. So any other question? No, if there's no question, that's all. Thank you.